ഹലോ, എൻ്റെ പ്രിയപ്പെട്ട രാജഗിരി സീഷോറിലെ കുട്ടികളെ, നമ്മളുടെ ഈ പ്രകൃതി നിങ്ങൾ കണ്ടിട്ടില്ലേ? നിങ്ങൾ വീടിന് മുറ്റത്തേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങിയാൽ ഇഷ്ടംപോലെ മരങ്ങളുണ്ടാകും, ചെടികളുണ്ടാകും, പൂമ്പാറ്റകളുണ്ടാകും. ഏതോ ഒരു മരക്കൊമ്പിലിരുന്ന് കുയിൽ പാടുന്നുണ്ടാകും. ആ പാട്ട് നിങ്ങൾ ഏറ്റുപാടണം. അപ്പോൾ കുയിൽ വീണ്ടും വീണ്ടും നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടി പാടിത്തരും. ഞങ്ങളുടെയൊക്കെ കുട്ടിക്കാലത്ത് അങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു. നിങ്ങളുടെ പേരൻസും അങ്ങനെയൊക്കെ കുയിലിനൊപ്പം പാടിയവരായിരിക്കും. പൂമ്പാറ്റകൾക്കൊപ്പം തുള്ളിക്കളിക്കണം. കാറ്റിൽ ഇലകളൊക്കെ ആടുമ്പോൾ അതിങ്ങനെ കണ്ട് ആനന്ദം കൊള്ളണം. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സ് നല്ല സ്വസ്ഥമായി സുന്ദരമായിട്ടിരിക്കും. നമ്മുടെ മൈൻഡ് ഉന്മേഷമായിട്ടിരിക്കും. നമ്മുടെ ശരീരം ഉന്മേഷമായിട്ടിരിക്കും. പ്രകൃതിയിലേക്ക് ഇറങ്ങി പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്തെല്ലാമാണോ വെച്ചിരിക്കുന്ന വിഭവങ്ങൾ അതെല്ലാം നുകരണം. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മുടെ മനസ്സും ശരീരവും സ്വസ്ഥമാക്കി ഉന്മേഷമാക്കി വെക്കുവാൻ നമുക്ക് കഴിയും. എക്കോ ക്ലബ്ബ് ഇത്തരത്തിലുള്ളൊരവസരവും നമുക്ക് നൽകുന്നത്. പ്രകൃതി അടുത്തറിയുവാൻ, ചെടികൾ വെച്ച് സംരക്ഷിക്കുവാൻ, മരങ്ങളെ സംരക്ഷിക്കുവാൻ, നമ്മളുടെ ജലാശയങ്ങളും നമ്മുടെ മണ്ണും ഒക്കെ സുന്ദരമായിട്ട് നിലനിർത്തുവാൻ ഒക്കെയുള്ള പ്രാക്ടീസും ക്ലാസ്സുകളും അതുപോലെ അതിനകത്തുള്ള ആക്ടിവിറ്റീസും ഒക്കെ അങ്ങനെയുള്ളതാണ്. കാര്യം നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ നന്നായിട്ട് നിൽക്കുന്നത് നമുക്ക് ശുദ്ധമായ ഓക്സിജൻ കിട്ടുന്നു. നല്ല മരങ്ങൾ, ചെടികൾ, ഇവയിൽ നിന്നൊക്കെയുള്ള ധാരാളം കായ്കനികളും ഒക്കെ നമുക്ക് ലഭിക്കുന്നതുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മളിങ്ങനെ ആരോഗ്യമായിട്ടൊക്കെ ഇരിക്കുന്നത്. നമ്മുടെ അടുത്ത തലമുറയും നമ്മളുടെ അനുജന്മാരും ഒക്കെ വരുമ്പോൾ അവർക്കും വേണ്ടേ നല്ലൊരു പ്രകൃതി, അല്ലേ? അതിന് നമ്മൾ കൈകോർക്കണം. സീഷോ സ്കൂളിൽ ഇത്തരത്തിലൊരു എക്കോ ക്ലബ്ബ് വരുന്നതിൽ ഞാൻ അതിയായി സന്തോഷിക്കുന്നു. കാര്യം വരും തലമുറയാണ് ഏറ്റവും അധികം പ്രകൃതിയെപ്പറ്റി മനസ്സിലാക്കേണ്ടത്. അവരിലൂടെ മാത്രമേ ഇതിൻ്റെയൊക്കെ സംരക്ഷണം നിലനിർത്തി കൊണ്ടുപോകാൻ കഴിയുള്ളൂ. എൻ്റെ ശബ്ദം ശ്രവിക്കുന്ന ഓരോ പേരൻസും ഓരോ മക്കളെയും ഈ പ്രകൃതി സംരക്ഷണ കൂട്ടായ്മയിൽ അംഗമാക്കണം. അതിൻ്റെ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങളിൽ സജീവമായി പങ്കെടുപ്പിക്കണം. പ്രകൃതിയെ അടുത്തറിയുമ്പോഴാണ് പ്രകൃതിയിൽ നമുക്ക് എന്തെല്ലാം രീതിയിലുള്ള സംരക്ഷണ കവചങ്ങളാണ് അത് ഒരുക്കിയിട്ടുള്ളത് എന്ന് മനസ്സിലാവുള്ളൂ. തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും ഈ എക്കോ ക്ലബിന് എല്ലാ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നതിനൊപ്പം രാജഗിരി സീഷോ സ്കൂളിലെ ഈ വലിയ സംവിധാനം ഔപചാരികമായി നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാ അനുവാദത്തോടുകൂടി ഉദ്ഘാടനം ചെയ്തതായിട്ട് അറിയിക്കുന്നു. താങ്ക് യു.
Greetings to all on this happy occasion of inaugurating the Eco Club at Rajagiri School. The primary focus of an Eco Club is to create awareness among its members about the environment and retaining its greenery. Planting, grooming, and then watching the growth of the trees in the surroundings is the simplest way towards it. School campus is the simplest and the right location to initiate these activities. Later, these activities can be extended into the surrounding locations of the society by fostering the required changes. Teachers, being the successful threads between the students and the society, can perform excellent roles in coordinating these activities. Eco represents the science of ecology. Ecology means interdependency among everything surrounding to ensure sustainability. Quite often, we all would have noticed the beautiful butterflies, squirrels, woodpeckers, the sunbirds, and the insects raiding the branches, leaves, and the flowers of the trees in the surroundings. Why do they do this? They do these activities for any specific reason. By these interactions, do they achieve anything to sustain their life? Well, we need to explore this to find out. The science of ecology is exactly doing this exploration of interaction and interdependencies that surrounds everything. So, an eco club is the ideal platform to do this exploration happens around us. So, all the very best for this initiative. Thank you.
Good morning to all. My name is Vaika Rakesh from class 7A. I am very happy to be a part of the Eco Club. I am very excited for the inauguration of the Eco Club. I love nature very much. I am happy to interact with the nature and also happy to be a part of this earth. Nature is what we see and feel around us. Nature provides us with all resources for living. The surroundings we live in, the food we eat, the water we drink, and the air we breathe in are all parts of the nature. For a better tomorrow, protect the nature and help more trees grow. Thank you.
My dear little friends of Rajagiri Seashore CMI School, Vipin, I really regret that I could not speak to you face to face. You know what is the reason for that? Because of this peculiar situation. Maybe I will visit you sometime in future, hopefully. I'm very happy to know that your school has a science club. In a few words, I will talk about science and the purpose of science club. When you hear the word science, probably the picture you have in mind is those of some great scientists like Sir Isaac Newton or Einstein, Darwin, etc., or of some great inventions like invention of television, computer, rockets, aeroplanes, cars, trains, etc., etc. However, science need not always be accompanied by inventions. Science is a kind of life, a way of understanding your universe, understanding the world around you, understanding the phenomena around you in a peculiar way. What is that peculiar way? It's a series of inquiries, asking questions, and reaching some answer empirically. Empirically means with the support of evidences, without any prejudices, without any previous beliefs. That is what is known as science. Even without inventing something great, can become a scientist. In fact, that is the purpose of science clubs. Maybe by joining these science clubs, you may become a scientist or some jobs related to science. But even without that, you can be a scientist. So if I ask me what is the purpose of a science club, I would say that this is to inculcate the culture of science, the culture of asking questions, that also fearlessly asking questions without fearing some consequences. That is what is science. Without any bias, without any beliefs, always open. It's an open approach to the world. That is what is science. And that should be the ultimate objective of science clubs. Before closing, I will tell you a small example. Probably you have heard about breaking coconuts at the time of launching rockets. And these people are supposed to be scientists from some organizations like Indian Satellite Research Organization. But I won't call them scientists. Why? Because there is no evidence that breaking coconut will help successful launching of rockets. I will call them technicians. They are not scientists. Or I will call them launchers. That's just a job for them, just to get salary. They're salaried people. So we don't want that kind of scientist. We need real scientists who find out answers by asking questions without biases, with the support of sound, solid evidences. With these few words, I declare the Science Club of Rajagiri CMI School, YP, inaugurated. Thank you very much.
Hi, my dear friends. Like everyone else, I am also waiting for the Science Club. Science plays an important role in our day to day life. It is my favorite subject as it contains many interesting facts, different creatures, and chemical names. Observing such creatures and experiments would be so fun, and when it comes to carry out those experiments on our own, I am getting more excited. But that's not all what I'm waiting for. All those lectures, debates, seminars, and quiz to motivate young minds are ready. Science Club will provide a thirst in us to ask questions, make predictions, observe, test, communicate the findings, and developing science skills. I am eagerly waiting for the inauguration of our Science Club. The science of today is the technology of tomorrow. Thank you.
Respected and dear manager, principal, teachers, parents, students, and all the well-wishers of RSCS. I wish all the best wishes for the activities of the Social Science Club of Rajagiri Seashore CMS. What is a social science? A social science deals with the social problems. It deals with the human beings. It's a science of human beings. So it's a science of social issues, social problems. Again, social sciences have to come up with the solutions. Social sciences have to make suggestions. The social sciences, physical sciences, and natural sciences, all of them should go hand in hand. One cannot stand alone. All are integrated. These days we are seeing the COVID situation. So, in one side, the doctors, researchers, scientists, they are trying their best to find a solution for this problem. At the same time, politicians, the political leaders, they are trying to take the best decisions. Again, another side, economic situation. So, economic situation isn't the people are facing poverty these days, unemployment, or let's say the environmental issues. From one side, the scientists are trying their best to find out a solution for that. So, engineering technologies. At the same time, political leaders, They are also trying their best. So we see World Earth Summits, the contributions of United Nations organizations, the social science researchers. See, environmental politics, environmental economics, environmental physics. So all these things are connected. So one cannot stand alone. Now let's come to the social science club. So social science clubs, they play a lot of roles in the schools or colleges. A lot of activities can be undertaken by the social science clubs. For example, debates, discussions, speeches, poster making, or even extension activities. By extension activities, we mean you have to go to the society, you have to go to the poor families around you, you have to visit the orphanages. When you make discussions or when you make debates, you should try to come up with the solutions. So you have to find out the solutions to these social problems that we are facing today. And by this, you can develop your leadership qualities. You can develop your problem solving skills. You can develop your decision making abilities. You can learn social etiquettes. Again, you can develop a team spirit in you. And hereby, I declare that the activities of the Social Science Club of Rajagiri Seashore CMI School inaugurated. I also use this opportunity to thank the faculty members of Rajagiri School. I wish all the best for the success of the Social Science Club of Rajagiri School. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Social science is a study of society and the manner in which people behave and influence the world around us. Knowing the remarkable value of social science, our school has provided a great opportunity to express our social values, creativity and innovative skills through Social Science Club. And I am very much excited to be the part of Social Science Club, and I am very eagerly waiting for the activities what we are going to do.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers and dear students. I am very happy that I am invited for the inauguration of Maths Club of Rajagiri Seashore CMI School. Mathematics is the queen of all sciences, and without mathematical applications and formulae, no research or higher studies in science can be carried out. Mathematics is seen everywhere and anywhere in nature and in daily life. The concept of symmetry and proportion is seen in flowers and leaves. When we look at the discounts at mega sales, the interest accrued in bank accounts, or even if when your mother takes a measurement of rice to be cooked every day, involve mathematics. We remember our great Indian mathematician, Sir Srinivas Ramanujan, whose centenary death anniversary was celebrated last year, who has contributed much for infinite series, mathematical analysis and number theory. In his short lifespan of 32 years, he has compiled about 3,900 results and identities. His birthday, December 22, was announced as National Mathematics Day by then the Prime Minister of India, Dr. Manmohan Singh, in 2012. Though maths is simple, it seems to be difficult for school children. learn, love, and do maths and enjoy doing maths using games and puzzles. Those who learn and love maths find no difficulty in learning other subjects too. Those who love and learn maths are systematic in life and they excel in their career. Though we are shut down at home with your family, your parents and grandparents may be involved in small quizzes and puzzles, which thereby making an interest in learning maths in yourselves. I give you 2 puzzles for the day. Puzzle 1. Find the next number in the series 3, 5, 8, 13, 22. Puzzle 2. Given 9 numbers arranged in 3 by 3 rows, of which one is missing. First row 56, 65, 78. Second row 12, missing number 30. Third row 44, 14, 48. Send your answer to your class teacher, maths teacher. I conclude wishing you all the very best for the academic year with full fun of maths and for all activities of maths club. I also wish good luck to your maths coordinator, Anu Marshall, one of my favorite students. Thank you.
Good day to everyone. Today, I am happy to announce that Rajagiri Seashore CMI School is forming our very first mathematics club. Now, mathematics is generally thought to be, well, a little boring. Long strings of numbers, lengthy, complicated equations, angles, triangles, trigonometry. But we here at RSCS have to agree with the famous mathematician and astronomer Sir Galileo Galilei, who once said, "Mathematics is the language with which God has written the universe. Mathematics is the basis of all the sciences, all of creation, and all that is yet to be created." I myself am very excited for this because, in a way, mathematics is a lot like music. It has to be learnt, practiced, composed, and most of all, enjoyed. As Pythagoras said, there is geometry in the humming of the strings, just as there is music in the placing of the spheres. Thank you.